Now, if you were to click on one of these images, what this theme does by default is, let's click on it, it creates kind of its own page for each image. And the name of this image, when I uploaded it, was just, pretty much some random text, so it's not super desirable. What I would really like is to have it pull up a Lightbox. And a Lightbox is just, it's kind of like those little pop-ups that instead of having to take you to a whole another page that completely reloads, it just opens a little pop-up right here so that you can view the image and even scroll through to the other images. And that's what I would like. And so to get a Lightbox for these images, I'm just going to install a certain plugin. Remember, plugins, if you can get to them by going to here, plugins, and then add new. And remember that they increase, functionality. They add functionality to your site. So I'm going to install a plugin that's going to allow us to have that Lightbox functionality. And so add new. I'm going to search plugins right here. The name of the plugin I want is Responsive Lightbox by dfactory. So I'm just going to hit install now and activate plugin. And responsive just means that it will fit the width of the screen. So if my screen gets smaller, you can see this site is responsive, the words and such, and the actual layout changes a little bit so that it still looks good on the screen. And so this Lightbox is also responsive. As it gets smaller, the pictures are still going to look good. So all I have to do for this plugin is activate it. That's it. I'm going to come back here and hit refresh. And now when I click on one of these images, you'll see here it's pulling up the Lightbox. So instead of taking me to a whole nother page, it just pulls up the Lightbox, and I can just hit exit here and very quickly see these pictures. And I can also scroll through them. So if I just click the right arrow, it will scroll to the next image. And yeah, it just makes it really easy, really clean. And the user doesn't have to reload a new page or anything. And again, they are responsive, so once they open the Lightbox, if the screen were to get smaller, the picture or photo would adjust so that it's not being skewed or anything like that. So it'll still look good no matter what screen size, or even if they're on a phone or tablet. These photos are going to look good because of that responsive Lightbox.